Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically the 50 number part basically. In this 50 basically we are going to see a little bit more about the data warehousing basically. So one of the person told that like this basically the data warehousing basically connects here basically. So like this the data warehousing also basically connects here. So one of the person told that like this the data warehousing connects, data science connects, data projects basically connects, then the data analysis basically connects, then the uh, AI basically technology basically connects, AI all conditions basically which the government basically approves basically. Without government approve basically AI can't be created. That always basically you have to, because it's connecting to very far basically. Because I had taken one example, a if example, while loop, then the for loop, then the variable declaration, all basically generates projects. But which is the higher technology, which is the higher side basically. That's why basically each AI tools basically when it's are connected, it basically connects into the government permission basically, because government is running the country na basically. They basically runs the India basically. Assume that basically India basically per day expense basically might be what basically. So 1% हो तो 1 लाख 2 लाख करोड़ तो होगा basically. India expense है basically. So 1 लाख 2 लाख करोड़ if you say expense basically of India basically. So at least basically they should earn basically 20 lakh crore, 30 lakh crore. The businessmen basically, because businessmen groups basically are connected with the expense also, because they pay the expense money basically to the government basically. And lots of people says that government employees only becomes the businessman basically. That also basically we can't ignore it basically, but that's basically the government side basically. That's not our basically point of view. But if you are staying in country basically, you have to contribute something basically. But I am not working, so that's why basically I am not contributing basically. But from this video basically I am contributing little bit basically. So each and every employees basically, for example, I am, if I am earning 10 lakh 20 lakh per month, sorry, per annum basically, then basically I would be contributing something basically to tax amount, 8 lakh 9 lakh basically contribution to the tax. So in next video basically